My name is Keith and I'm Head of Special Projects at Nium, where we use nanotechnology to decarbonise ammonia production. So ammonia powers half of global food, but it's also responsible for 2% of global emissions. The current processes are centralised, monopolised and rely on fossil fuels. At Nium, our breakthrough nanocatalyst produces ammonia at a fraction of the price and pollution of traditional methods. It's flexible, scalable and cost-effective. It's clean ammonia on demand. We add value through the 3 Ds. Decarbonise. We use less energy and unlock renewables. Decentralise. We can produce ammonia on any site and thereby reduce supply chain risks. And democratise. We lower barriers to entry and empower industries to take control of their own emissions. We're seeking partnerships with clean energy companies and other industry players to help us scale our technology. We're also looking for expertise in first-of-a-kind plant build. And finally, we're currently raising a 13 million Series A. We look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.